Welcome everybody to Sustainable Friday. Today we're going to talk about small things that you can do in an office with things that you use every day to be as sustainable as possible. So let's start with coffee and cups and utensils, right? One of the many things we do is try to avoid plastic as much as possible. So you can think of plastic as your plastic cups, your utensils, your plates. There are a lot of alternatives of either compostable materials or recyclable materials that can be used that will actually reduce the amount of plastic that you're going to use. And even when it's a compostable material that requires you to compost it, and some cities like Sarasota don't have the ability to do that at the city level, a compostable material will deteriorate in 6 months to a year or something like that, versus hundreds of years of plastic. And why is plastic a problem? Plastic goes to the water, it affects the flora, the fauna. We need to stop using as much as possible the plastic that is everywhere nowadays. If you think about coffee, Keurig cups, they're all made of plastic. Now, you would be able to remove the plastic completely of the equation if you buy the reusable Keurig cup that they sell it everywhere, and you can just fill it up with coffee. But then you start thinking about sustainability versus being used every day and convenience, right? Most sustainable solutions are not convenient, and that makes people not do it every day. Therefore, it becomes more of a problem. There's something in between. You can actually promote and use products like Farrow, which is an alternative Keurig coffee, which, by the way, the coffee is amazing. And these are all made of, again, recyclable materials and compostable cups. So as you can see, this is a soft cup, by the way. So there's already a material that is not a hard plastic, and it's hundreds or even thousands of times better than a regular Keurig cup. Of course, you can go into batteries, use reusable batteries and rechargeable batteries at the office. And then, the final frontier would be try to go with your chemicals, right? Instead of using something that has harmful chemicals and uses a lot of plastic, you can refill these bottles. And Mayors is a great brand that uses non-harmful chemicals for all the cleaning stuff. So there are simple little things you can do every day in your home. A lot of these things are applicable to your home, but especially in a business. People use cups, plastic cups, plastic utensils, coffee. All these things are being used every day in an office. And if we think about the little things, we can create a big impact right away. Thank you.